I've always done woodworking all my life, and it gives me, I love the feel of it. I love touching it, and I love the look of it, and I like playing with it. As soon as I touch a piece of wood, I forget everything that's going on in my work life. I mean, it gives me great instant satisfaction, and it makes me feel good, and I just forget about everything else that's going on in my life, like work. The best part, after it's finished being sanded, this is the part when you finish it. It feels so good. It looks really good. And there's your finished product.